Weather alert. Weather alert. Let's go! Here we go! Test alert. Test alert.
Top 3 countdown, Carly Pierce and Truck on Fire. Look out, fellas, if you've got a Z71, watch out now. It's Evan Paul. These are your 3 most requested new country songs of the night. In it.
So for a lot of people, they want to... They might...
You look again at verse...
Holy Montana. Yep.
Maybe you take it. Talk to it. Teaching students not to like.
The emergency alert system.
Broadcast stations in your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. If this is...
Which I...
Emergency alert system.
Oh shit, KBGA.
Husband love.
Bless my soul.
As a haughty look and an arrogant heart will I endure.
Well, that's another news station found.
On the faithful of...
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.